In this video, I will show you great gifts under $5, fivebelow.com. Hi, welcome back. I'm Eileen Judd, the Busy Money Bee. I'm a mom of 4 and an expert in frugal living. I post money-saving videos every Tuesday, so subscribe to. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Now let's get on with the show. Essential oils. Most people like essential oils. They use them for medicinal purposes or just the smells to make them feel better. Waterproof Bluetooth speakers. They come in fun different colors and for anybody, and you can put it in your shower and you can listen to songs or podcasts from your phone while you're in your shower and not have to worry about your phone getting wet. Phone mounts for the car. You can get ones that suck up to the windshield. You get ones that suck up to your dashboard. Phone mounts that work well for a while. Fun giant candies, just for like a fun gift for that person that loves sweets. You can get big candies for under $5 at Five Below. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just like Five Below. Shirts. There's funny t-shirts that you can get at Five Below. Most of the time it's extra large or under. You get a better selection when you're in the store versus online, so I would highly suggest going there. Socks. You can find all kinds of different fun socks at Five Below, and socks are a great gift for anyone that has feet. So everyone has feet. Who doesn't like socks? Spa-like items, from makeup cleaners, mask, makeup, $5 and under. If you have someone that likes to pamper themselves, that's a perfect gift for them. Even toys. They have toys at Five Below that are trending or in line with what kids like these days. Comment below with your favorite $5 gift that you've ever given someone. A Five Below gift card for $5. That is perfect for every kid or anyone that's trying to find a fun little gadget to use. Hit the subscribe button and the like button for more videos like this. Watch a video that's here or here. I'll see you in the next video. Happy savings. Bye.